Destiny is coming. Which one is Destiny is coming? Shall we say Destiny is coming? Wait. Run! I'm ready! Yes! I'm here! Bro! Caterefe doesn't know where who's messing with! Caterefe doesn't know! Guy! Hold on. Caterefe, hold on. No, wait. Hold on. See. We can't jam my down. You didn't mad? You don't bomb my studio. You didn't crazy. Hold on, for me. Hold This guy is a joke. You didn't mind. Girl, stay here. Stop. I will kill one of you now. When I never do it, you didn't mind. What do you want to do? Bro, I said I'm going for revenge. That if you bought my hair yesterday, you don't even know about. Which one? You won't shoot him. My God. Guys, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Keep person. Respect yourself more. Come now, where are you going to? Don't let that get one day go. What's up? Come now. Go call her. Which kind of wahala be this?
Caterefe, your people are crazy.
Come now. My people, which people? Mind the way you speak. I don't like it. Follow. Why? Which one is us? Us and that.
Your guest.
No. Busy. Guy, you guys don't understand. I'm here. That thing is here. Why you bump my head like that? Why you bump my head like this? Because I bump your head. Why you bump my head like this? Because I bump your head. Why you bump my head like this? Why you bump my head like this? Why you bump my head like this? God, look at my hair. Bro, look at the fuck. Bro, look at my hair. Look at my hairline, bro. I have nothing. Is she going? Kata. Guy, you won't kill me. If this guy go, you won't kill me. If this guy go, I go go. You go. Let me call that guy. Come now. Go meet her. Because if you don't know who he's playing with, bro. Go meet her. Because if you don't, guy, you won't bomb my studio. You go regret why you bomb my hair like this. You go regret why you bomb my hair like this. Skinny too like girls. I can't prepare, bro. WWE knockout. WWE. I'll go back. Caterefe. Stop. She go go. Yeah. Let her come in now. Respect yourself. Let her come in. Respect yourself. This guy go. I get plenty. Respect yourself. Nice one. Nice one. Yeah. You're already mad. Stop all this thing. You don't know who I am. You don't know who I am. I am him. Guys, Destin Kid. This guy will blow your house. Guys, hey. This guy will blow your house. Caterefe. See. House cost for Lekki. See. House for. Get my power. Let's make a cancel every day.
My slippers, so.
Destin Kid. That's my.
You
won't see Caterefe. You won't see Caterefe for us. Jesus! My penis! Go away!
Call you leave that girl. Call you leave that girl. Give me one banger. Give me one banger.
No.
I'll put that for your pocket.
No, that's there outside.
I'll put that for your pocket. Oh boy. You want to get that I'll put that for your pocket.
I get cancer. Caterefe, you have to apologize on stream
Kolu,
for babbing my head like this.
Kolu, it's okay.
Call you.
I beg you want to light another fire.
You want to kick Caterefe, Abi? Baby, them. You want to kick Caterefe? 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 This boy, you want to kick Caterefe? You want to kick Caterefe? This boy. You don't know what? No. You want to kick Caterefe? You don't know what, sir? I'm him, bro. I'm him. You want to kick Caterefe? I'm him. You want to kick Caterefe? I'm him. And they send you come, Abi. I shall be to send you. I shall be to send you. Stop, oh.
Alpha. Show Peter said,
you want to kick Caterefe?
I should come and collect his right.
Wait.
I will show Kata tomorrow. I will show him tomorrow.
This boy, you want?
Guy, this nigga wants to go against my dream, bro.
You want to kick Caterefe, Abi? You want to kick Caterefe, Abi? You want to kick Caterefe, Abi? You want to?
Come on,
You want to kick Caterefe, Abi? What did they do now? What did they do now?
I'm waiting in the room of this thing and they go and they book. Yes.
What did they do you now? You dey crazy.
Alpha. They go out.
What the fuck? You know I am you.
You don't have to respect me for like it.
I am destined kid.
I go out.
I am destined kid.
Now you start this thing, bro. Now you start this thing. Alpha, stand up for my guy. Stand up.
Alpha, you want to kick
Stand up
Caterefe?
for my guy.
You get plan, Abi. You get plan, come.
Stand up for my guy.
I'll follow her.
I beg, where my babe dey?
I lose guard.
Where my babe dey?
Are you guard? Thank you for the soap. Thank you for the soap. Jesus. Camera they block clean now. God is here. Make all of them go first. I tire and people still dey down. See that when where people won't come be this. Which kind of rubbish be this? Jesus, make una stop this nonsense. I don't know who telling me they go do am. Clean the spit. Where we spit? Let me sweep her. Let me do am. No, don't worry. Just leave it. The person that wahala they do for you.
Na the big wahala.
Big wahala.
He na small wahala he be.
Na that they do for you. What do you carry come?
Oya stand for me.
Stand for you. Who is this person? Is this your chef?
This is my personal assistant.
Your personal assistant for what?
For food.
Your personal assistant for what?
For food.
Yeah, stand up.
For food.
Stand up.
Alpha, quiet your mouth, fake.
Stand up.
Who are you? Remove your glass. Remove your.
Stand up.
Wait, don't kick all. Are you mad?
Na do wahala.
You dey mad? God dey punish you. Let them miss the hell.
You don't chop.
Shut hell.
You don't chop.
Shut hell. You don't dey miss the personal assistant dey craze. First of all, come here. First, are you mad? First of all, come here. What do you want to do? What is your work? Come here, come front. What is your work?
I'm a chef.
You are a chef. Which artist have you cooked for?
I cook for Whiskey.
You cook from?
Yeah.
Now you dey cook food for Whiskey.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you dey cook food for Whiskey.
Last year.
Go and check.
Me and him cook for whiskey last year.
Go and check.
Jesus
Go
Christ.
For Atlanta.
Alpha, so how long have you been cooking?
I've been cooking since I was 6.
6.
That's
So what do you have to
23
do?
years.
So what do you want to do for us today?
I have a lot of food. So
You have a lot of food.
Yes. I want to cook and share it for you.
You want to cook and share for me?
Yes.
King! King! Alpha! Get this boy, come on.
Who the Chris?
Alpha, get this boy, come on.
Who the Chris?
Hey! This boy, you dey mad? Get this boy, come on from my studio.
Who the Chris? He's the guy. Who the Chris?
King! King go! King go! King go! Alpha,
Give on top.
Alpha, you
Give on top.
come on from my studio fast. You know be assistant. Come on, go dey go. Go dey go.
I don't go.
You no dey go abi.
I don't go anywhere.
Alpha, get this boy, come on from my studio. Mad. Ah! Get this boy, come on from my
I don't go
studio.
anywhere.
Get this boy, come on from my studio.
I don't go anywhere.
Get this boy, carry
I don't go anywhere.
I know dey joke o.
I don't go anywhere.
Abeg, make dem comot. This you guys are setting us people back by 100 of years. Sure? W King. Ah, sorry. King, sorry, abeg, no vex. That useless boy, no let me thank you. Abeg. No vex. King. Don't be the fucking shot. I know wetin make my sub dey reduce o. Alpha, come here. What do you want to do for a living? I'm sorry. What do you want to do for us?
I be chef. So I want to cook. I want to teach you how to cook food for a living.
Alucard! Wait! Stop playing. Alpha, you say what? What do you want to do for us today?
I want to teach you now how to cook without gas.
You want to teach us how to cook without gas?
Yes.
Now lie.
What did it do?
Shat, you want to cook for us without gas? Jesus, so go see meat. Shat, see meat.
Remember.
Jesus. Shat under the sea. See pepper. Oh no! Stop playing! We outside! Stop playing! Come on! Yeba! Hey! Oh no! Stop playing! We outside! Come on! Cook the fucking food with that old gas! Steady! Don't be all over the fucking shot! We outside!
I'm a piano, she's a big vibe, but it's Come in the big shout and
Yeah! God bless you, Lolo! God bless you! Don't see. Jesus! This guy dey cook o! This guy dey cook o! Jesus! Shout on the see am! What you be why every time? It will get your mouth. Which I don't understand. Anything wey you want to do, go dey do am for him make they see you. Carry am. Me consider for there. Call ma lap you. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Shout, what is this?
Who beat you?
Shout. Let him cook. Jesus. Wait.
What did it back from us now? What did they do?
Wait.
Your papier.
Wait.
Your papier.
Wait.
Your papier.
Jesus, give her a table. This guy now weary. Wait, I recommend a bring table for you. Jesus, I begin to bring table. Jesus, this guy the chop ammo. Yeah, he the chop ammo.
Chop him.
He the chop ammo.
What did I do?
Get what
What
Water.
You kept me.
What's up? Pepe. You chop Pepe. Jesus. Yeah. Drink oil here. Jesus, what's in this song?
Hello!
This song.
Yeah.
What's in this song? Show me the song. Give her water. Give your water for here. Jesus, which kind of water? Which kind of wahala be this? I don't. What am I doing with my life? You see, I know they contribute. Give me watermelon. You bring watermelon. You go chop. Hey, no chop you. No chop.
See, my brother is my pinch. It's my pinch. I love you,
is something they mad. Wait, Nadi. I don't understand. What did they do you? How much for Kolu eyes? Chop up. Guys, see the chopper. Bread and neighbor. Bread and neighbor. Bread and neighbor. Wait, you dey crazy with you? You dey crazy with you? This guy na lost boy. How much Kolu shade? Bread and neighbor. Which challenge with this one? What did they solve?
I don't know.
Okro.
You know what, chop him.
Okro.
Chop him, go me chop him.
Okro.
Yeah, chop him, me chop him.
Okro.
Chop him.
Okro.
Chop him.
This one no well oh. I'm here bro.
See, I'm gonna chop him.
Guy, no. Alpha, go carry this. I beg, go carry this guy, come on from my studio. Go carry him. Alpha, hey, go carry this guy, come on from my studio. Alpha.
What happened? Let it go.
From my studio.
Let it go.
Carry a bit to promote. Jesus. Which kind of wahala be this?
I don't want a man.
Carry this way comot o. Carry that way comot. Go bring brook come. Load the joint, lock am. Make that boy no enter o. That boy dey craze. Carry this one comot na which cloth? All this pure water. Make you not buy for your studio. Wetin happen? Nothing.
Yes.